Hello everyone, my name is Syed and you're watching my Digital Strategist YouTube channel. There is important news coming in from the Facebook that Facebook is going to take down the custom audiences estimated reach due to the recent survey. They have diagnosis that the hackers have breached the data security in their system, so they have taken a call that they are not going to show estimated reach for the custom audiences anymore to worldwide audiences. And it is a very important news for advertisers that they will not be able to see the estimated reach for the custom audiences. It also includes the look-alike audiences as well. So Facebook will definitely tell us that when they're going to enable this option in the near future, and I'll keep you updated for that. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to keep updated with the latest happening in the digital world. Thank you.